History was made on today's date. Stay tuned for an American Minute with Bill Federer.
Herbert Hoover died this day, October 20th, 1964. He was America's 31st president, guiding the country through the first part of the Great Depression. During World War II, in a joint statement signed by such individuals as the widows of President Coolidge, Roosevelt, Taft, Harrison, and Cleveland, Hoover stated, "We must seek revival of our strength in the spiritual foundations which are the bedrock of our republic. Democracy is the outgrowth of the religious conviction of the sacredness of every human life. On the religious side, its highest embodiment is the Bible. On the political side, the Constitution."
This has been an American Minute with Bill Federer. For a free transcript, call American Minute at 1-888-USA-WORD.
This is Ron Ross with Powerful Seniors. Seniors realize American history is being ignored and erased. The Bible compels us to do something about it. It says, "Teach what you've seen and heard to your children and grandchildren." Please share this video with your family and friends and encourage others to join Powerful Seniors.